What's up, YouTube? Today, guys, we're gonna be making a grilled cheese sandwich today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a good, perfect grilled cheese sandwich today. Stick around. The things that you will need is some butter. You're gonna need some butter. Also, you're gonna need some bread as well. So get you some bread and a skillet, and also turn it up on high. Turn it up on high, maybe on 4 or 5, maybe. Let the butter melt like that. As soon as you let it melt like that, you want to place it in the skillet just like that. Place it in there like that. Shake it around like this a little bit. Let the, let the butter simulate inside there. And yeah. Drop like as well in this video. I'm gonna try to pop the camera up somewhere. It's reasonable. Let's see, boom. Come on, sit right there. Okay, cool. Finally got this. Reasonable. Well, hold up. And then smooth this down like this, y'all. Y'all know we about to cook right now. Cooking with, boy, you tripping. Stick around, make sure y'all drop a like as well, man, for real. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. After y'all, let the bread. I'm gonna show y'all right now what I mean by this. Hold up, let me get back to you. Alright, so what I mean, y'all, by this, look. Let me show you right quick. Hold up, let me show y'all real quick. Let me get this light. One second, one thing at a time. Hold up. Ooh, wrong way. Man, look at that. Y'all see that bread look good though right there, man. Shout out to me because I'm the best chef in the building, man. I make the best food. Y'all know I do. Y'all just gotta check out some of my meals and check them out online, for real. But I'm about to show y'all what I mean. Here we go. I just have to hook the light up for a second. Give me 1 second. Boom, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. See this, how this look? Put the bread in there like that. Let it stay in there just like that. What you want to do, slap some more butter onto it like this. Get it? Slap some on there like that. Just enough like that on there. Put it on there just like that on this side. But I'm going to show y'all 1 second, okay? So y'all can get when I demonstrate. Let me pop the camera up right now. Cooking with Boy You Tripping. Make sure y'all get y'all some bread, though. Some wheat bread as well. You need some wheat bread. Wheat bread to, make the grilled cheese with some simple. Show y'all how to cook it and make the meal. Stick around. We'll show y'all in a minute. Alright. Alright, man. Alright, so y'all know. Hold up. That's butter here. Finally melted. It finally melted. So we good on that end. All we gotta do is place this piece of bread right here on, and some cheese. You need some cheese as well. Make sure you get some cheese. If you hear no cheese at all, you're not gonna be able to make your 1 second, let me see. Let me see, there are square cheese in here at all. I don't think we do. I don't see none of fuck it. There we go. Okay. Well, I don't see no square cheese right. As y'all see, man, that boy about to look good. So you want to slap that cheese on there just like that. Yeah. And then what you want to do, bring it back that way. Ooh. I want to do it just like that. Let it simulate. And then from the other side, you want to let it bake, and let it turn gray and brown. So from here, we're going to turn the heat up a little bit more. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit more. And then also, come back to you guys when I'm done. Alright, y'all can see, man, how my grilled cheese turning out to look, man. Look like, ooh. So let this side cook right. I'm letting it do its thing. So it's gotta cook. You hear it sizzling, right? Make sure y'all clean up after yourself. Put all your tools up. Clean all your stuff up. Oh yeah. Rule number 1, clean all your stuff up, man. Make sure y'all pack all your stuff back up. And keep all your stuff fresh. Cook with me as well. We're gonna be doing more cooking shows. Stay tuned. Y'all wanted this first cooking video, we dropped it for y'all, man. So stick around, show some love and support. Let's get into it. Alright, so we over here cooking, man. Just gotta find this here type. I don't find it yet. On the type. Good. I'm gonna show you what this sandwich look like in a minute. Y'all stick around, okay? Alright, boom. Look at that boy. That grilled cheese sandwich look too good, man. Too look good. Too good, bro. Too good. And you notice all around my cooking area is neat and clean. Neat and clean. And all around it's neat and clean. Oh yeah. Just a little pop back that way. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Show some love and support. This thing burning up and we get it off the grill. Alright. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna be trying this out right now. Y'all ready? Let's try this grilled cheese sandwich that I made a minute ago. Y'all ready? I see I burnt this side a little bit, but hey, it's okay. Tastes a little burnt, but I guess maybe because I burnt it, but it is what it is, right? But other than that, the grilled cheese sandwich out of that was really good though. I don't know. It's not that burnt at all though, for real. I don't know why it cooked like this at all, but hey, maybe I didn't fry it hard enough. Oh yeah. Now stick around, stay tuned, man. Love y'all, peace.